Hi, once again, Barry Vesti, Aureled UK, Operations Director, Aureled Lighting, China. Now, next video is just going to be about IP68, okay? We'd like to give a description of each different strip. I've said in the first video about the PCB quality, the diode quality. Now I want to explain to you how IP68 strip is made and why you should use our Selve system IP68. So I'm just going to turn off and explain a few points to you about the way this is made. With IP68 LED strip, what actually happens is the PCB we saw before on the open frame, okay, is placed inside a rectangular silicon channel with an end cap. The end cap is placed on, it's then blown and pulled through all the way right to the end, and then it's injection filled. So what will happen is we will injection fill this with silicon all the way down the hole till it is full of silicon. Now, with low end injection, what they'll use is an epoxy mix. Now, an epoxy mix in sunlight, as soon as you get sunlight, will turn brown and discolor. Or with the diodes, it will bake inside and have, because epoxy has a lower heat value than silicon. Silicon has some water properties, so therefore it will keep a bit cooler and won't turn brown or discolor and stay clean for longer. One thing that does happen a lot is if you look closely at our LED strip with the silicon inside, you can see all the top of the diodes. When poor quality filled strip is made, they turn it on too quickly, and the heat from the diode causes a bubble above each diode in the silicon. This you won't find on any of our IP68 strip. Why? Because it's filled correctly prior to us packaging, QC approving, so that we've got no bubbles above the diode, so that it splits the light off through the diode. And I'm going to plug this back in just so we see the consistency again. All the way down the strip, it's the same colour consistency all the way down. Now I will mention one thing, if this is in your garden, you're doing some garden lighting, the reason we have IP68 is this can go into water, the driver stays away from it, we have a nice long lead, so it's happy underwater, it's not a problem. One thing I'll mention is some factories started making a strip with two cores down the outside. It's called a mains 240 volt strip. If you imagine in your garden, if that's up, I don't believe in main strip. I believe that low voltage is better for you. If that's actually on and somebody did cut across the points, they could get a shock. With a Selve system, safety extra low voltage strip, 24 volt DC, carries the current better, we only do 24 volt DC, then it's safe if anybody does decide to cut it. From this you can see high quality consistency, no spotting above the diodes, totally sealed. Comes with all the clips and everything in the bag, so you can clip it up. We don't supply the glue in the bag. We actually do that ourselves. We package that in the UK to go inside each bag so that you can cut it at lengths and add to it. Anyway, that's the IP68. I'll come back with another video soon. Thank you.